रेडियो खांची 90.4 FM हम सब का रेडियो पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। माई सेल्फ स्केल दास, आई एम अ फैकल्टी ऑफ CPPS in Ranchi University. Today I am going to discuss geometry. This lecture is beneficial for all the CPPS students and for all those students who are preparing for competitive exam. Students, in my last geometry lecture, I have discussed the basic definition of circle and 5 properties related to circle. Students, today I will continue that lecture and discuss the basic property of circle again. Students, the next property related to circle is the greater of the two chords is nearer to the center. Students, suppose that AB and CD are two chords and O is the center. In this case, AB is greater than CD. If AB is greater than CD and P and Q are 2 points on circle on chords, then OP is less than OQ. Students, the property is the greater of the two chords is nearer to the center. The next most important property is the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended it by any point on the remaining part of the circle. Students, suppose that O is the center of a circle and the minor arc AB subtended angle AOB at the center O, and also the subtended angle APB at point P substituted on the remaining part of the circle. In this case, the angle AOB equal to 2 times of angle APB. The next property is angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Students, suppose that O is the center of circle and AB is the diameter and P is the point at any point of the circle. In figure, AOB is a diameter, hence AOBPA is a semicircle. So students, angle APB equal to 90 degree. The property is angle in a semicircle is a right angle. अर्धवृत्त का कोण समकोण होता है. Students, the next most important property is if in a plane a line segment joining 2 points subtended equal angle at 2 other points lying on the same side of a line containing the line segment. Students, the 4 points lie on the circle. They are called concyclic. That means, in figure, if angle ACB equal to angle ADB, then the point ABDC lie on the same circle. The next most important property is the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Students, a cyclic quadrilateral is the quadrilateral whose 4 vertices are concyclic. That is, the 4 vertices lie on a circle. And let us suppose that in figure ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So students, angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree and angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree, and the converse is also true. Students, the another most important property related to cyclic quadrilateral is if a side of a cyclic quadrilateral is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the interior opposite angle. Students, suppose that ABCD is a quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral, and the side AB is produced to point P. In figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, so angle CBP, that is external angle, is equal to the angle CDA, that is interior opposite angle. So students, these are two properties directly related to cyclic quadrilateral. The another most important property is in cyclic quadrilateral, products of the diagonal is equal to the sum of the products to the opposite side. Students, I repeat this property again. In a cyclic quadrilateral, product of the diagonals is equal to the sum of the products to the opposite side. Let us suppose that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and AC and BD are two diagonals of this cyclic quadrilateral. So students, by using this property, we can say that AC into BD, that is product of diagonal, is equal to AD into BC plus AB into CD, that is sum of the products to the opposite side. The next most important property is a parallelogram inscribed in a circle is a rectangle. Students, suppose that ABCD is a parallelogram inscribed in a circle, then ABCD will be rectangle. Students, another property is a parallelogram circumscribed in a circle is a rhombus, that is ABCD is circumscribed, then ABCD will be rhombus. The next most important property is if two circles intersect each other at 2 points, then the line through the center is perpendicular bisector of the common chords. Students, in figure, two circles with center P and Q intersect each other at 2 points A and B, hence AB is common chord of two circles. Students, here PQ is the perpendicular bisector of the common chord AB. The next one is equal chords of a circle or congruent circles are equidistant from the center. Next one is if the circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral, then sum of the two opposite sides is equal to the sum of the other two. Students, one of the most important property this is. So I repeat, if a circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral, then sum of the opposite sides is equal to the sum of the other two. That means if AB, CD are that quadrilateral, then AB plus DC equal to AD plus BC. Then the next property is in two concentric circle, if a chord of a larger circle is also tangent to the smaller circle, then the chord is bisected at the point of contact. That means if AB are the tangent for a smaller circle and chord for larger circle and C is a point of contact, in this case we can say that AC equal to CB. Students, the next most important property is the length of two tangents from a exterior point to a circle are equal. Students, in figure, PQ and PR are two tangents drawn from the external point to a circle. In this case, PQ equal to PR. So students, today I will discuss the most important property related to circle, which is directly asked in your examination. Students, please write all the property in your copy and revise again and again, because you will get the questions directly related to the property. In my next lecture, I will discuss some another most important property or mixed property related to triangle, quadrilateral or circle, which is very useful for your examination. All the best for your exam. Keep on practice and stay at home.